Okay, let's begin.
Okay.
Everybody?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Para. I am talk about the. Let's talk English. The prices. You know, when you think of the word prices, the most common word that you come in your mind are money and store and payment. You had to think about it. Oh, how much I want to pay the money? How much I want to go to spend the money for the store? Something like that. The video I watched explains a different situation. You can be when you dealing with the prices, when you go shopping, there are a certain vocabulary word that you have to understand. And this video helps you understand how to those certain words. And today I will be helping you identify, understand meaning the words and expression, how exactly use them. When you go to shopping, you had to know the vocabulary, which words I had to use them. Expression. The first expression, then I came upon where pay through the nose. When I first heard that, I did not understand what the expression mean. I don't know what the expression mean. Pay through the nose. Pay through the nose? What is the pay through the nose? Something knows about it? No. That means some is spending too much money. When you go to shopping, you're spending too much money for the buying something small things. Something money. I can example to explain to everyone. You can avoid paying through the nose at flea market. When you go to flea market, you can ask them, please, can you give me little bit cheaper there? Because otherwise, when you go to the shopping, you can pay money for the more taxes. Yes. Because without taxes, you can take it like that, Yes. And because it's a cheaper there, it's a flea market, is outdoor market, not for the good brand name and something. They put it for the outdoor market, something put it for the name but not exactly name. Exactly. They say Nike and Adidas. They say no, that is not for the exact. They put the different name, for the something showing for the different companies, Yes. Flea markets, outdoor market, they buy seller exchange in discount. You can tell, oh, please give me for some discount, new or used stuff. Example, look at this. I buy for the flea market, the both one, the keychain. After when I bring back home, one is coming out. See how they are cheaper. See the cheaper they are. And when you go to if you without the battery, you can put the battery for the cheaper there too. When you go to the store, they have expensive for the battery, even $5 or $3. You can put it for the battery too. And then paying through the nose, being the flea market. Another expression is a very catch my eyes. When you go to the flea market, and you can see so many things for the canking over there. And then when you see something, look at this, the curtains. Yeah. Oh my God, so nice. Look at this. This is not nice, but I have it, but that's why I bring it. And you can see that, curtain, you say, oh, I want to buy this curtain. I don't want to leave. Catch my nose. That means catch my nose. That doesn't something your eyes. And that means something attack your attention. You don't want to mean. If you go with your husband, example, you are my husband. My husband say, come. I say, no. You say, come. I say, no, because I want to buy that curtains. You are the attraction. For example, I would like to use the blanket, look nice, but curtain catch my eyes.
But maybe your husband didn't want to pay for the curtains.
I know. That's why cut my eyes. Example, I would like to curtain my eyes. It means attraction was over the curtain. I don't want to leave without buying or because I cut my eyes. Vocabulary. Some vocabulary, it was maintained in the video was negotiable. Negotiable and mean offer. Offer, you got a negotiable. This means that both are seller and buyer. I am a seller, you are the buyer. You say negotiable. I want to discuss for the prices. Sometimes you ask, please give me some discount, something like that. When both of them have a final prices, they have a negotiated deal. That will offer is prices that someone give the seller to seller item that they want to buy. When I want to the flea market to buy a sari or negotiated deal with a sari, so I would like to happy with the offer and moment I pay seller. Then when I talk to the seller and buyer, seller talk, and then they say that okay, I'm happy to the deal with the prices. Then they can buy that. I want to ask the one question for the Mr. Michael, and then. What is your offer for my shirt?
Let me take a look.
Yes, sir.
Denver Hayes. I like the brand.
Yes,
Okay.
good.
It's like my shirt.
Yes, exactly. When
Okay.
I came.
So my shirt is an Italian shirt. Denver Hayes. Is this new?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think I will offer $25.
No, I want to more money, sir.
How much?
How much? I want more money, and tell me
I-
how much do you give me more?
Okay, maybe I'll go $27 maximum. I'll offer $27.
Okay. I
Okay.
would like to give for the $20. I'm happy. You are happy too. I can give you.
Okay,
20.
thank you.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm coming back.
Yes. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. The conclusion is presentation. I hope you learned something about the prices and the different expression and the vocabulary people in use real word. Thank you for listening. Thank you for the day.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Very interesting. Very good.
Thanks. And if you wanted, I can write the sentence for the what is the meaning of the what does the expression pain or the nose mean. If you wanted, I can write it.
Okay, yeah, okay, good.